Oh, hello there. How are you? Good. I've got my sketching set and I thought I could sketch a portrait. Would that be okay? Wonderful. So I'm just going to take it out. Now, thinking of maybe just doing a pencil sketch. Would that be okay? Alright. Well, you just make yourself as comfortable as you can. Alright. And I'll just get everything ready and then I'll sketch you. Okay? Wonderful. This is the sketching set. Call the pencils, sharpener, rubber, ruler, charcoal stick, and a little sketch pad. So I'm going to do your sketch in here if that's okay. Alright, so I'm going to use this one to begin with. So do just sit back. Just gonna move that way. Lovely. You just relax while I draw you, okay? So a little look. Okay. Just done this so far, just to get the general outlines and your nose. pretty good at the moment. Just gonna do some more of your outline. And for your mouth, how would you like it to be? Would you like to be smiling, straight face? Okay. I think I've got it. Okay, you can just relax, 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 relax. I've got your main outline. I'm now just going to add in some darker tones and just shade a little bit. I'm just going to use this one, which is going to be quite a thick one. It's the 12B. Just do some shading. Okay. Perhaps this one. Now, what hairstyle would you like? I can do it however you like. You choose. Okay. Okay. Just going to use a different pencil. Maybe this one. Just to add in some darker shades. doing some shading. Okay, I just want to check. That looks really good. I'm just gonna do final finishing touches. And we're all done. This looks so good. I'll show you it briefly, but you can take it with you. It looks so good. Okay, so would you like me to sign it? Okay. There you go. I've signed that one for you. And you can have this one. I'll tear it out of here. There we go. So you can actually have this one. Okay. You can frame it if you like, or you can do whatever you like with it. It's yours. Okay. Thank you so much. I've now got pencil all over me. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this relaxing. And take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.